Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your Runna workouts aren't appearing in your calendar, the issue is usually caused by permission settings, account sync problems, or connection issues. The good news is that most calendar sync problems can be fixed in just a few minutes. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the calendar sync not working issue in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So why calendar sync isn't working? Common causes include calendar permissions disabled, wrong calendar account selected, internet connection issues, app not synced or updated, temporary app glitch. So most problems come from permission settings, okay? So first thing you can do is check calendar permissions. So on iPhone, open settings, okay? Scroll to apps, look for Runna. Tap calendars and enable access. Okay, so Runna needs permission to add workouts. You can also reconnect calendar sync in Runna. So open the Runna app, go to settings, tap calendar sync, turn sync off and turn it on again. Select your calendar. This refreshes the connection. Okay, you can also check the correct calendar. So open your calendar app, make sure the correct calendar is visible, enable the calendar if hidden. Workouts may be in a different calendar. Okay, so you can also check the internet connection, turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data, open the Runna app, wait a few seconds for sync, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.